Hello, I'm Casey. I'm your fashion friend, your confidence cheerleader, your joy provider. I help inspire you with all things style, fashion, joy, and confidence. I post short, easy to digest advice videos to help you create a closet you love and get dressed with less stress. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel below so you don't miss out on anything. And let's get on with the show.
So today's style tip is about juxtaposition and how we can apply it to fashion. So the true definition of juxtaposition is the fact of two things being seen or placed close together with contrasting effect. So to me, that means two different categories of things and we cross-categorize. So we combine two categories into one thing to create a contrasting effect. So what that means for fashion, what does that mean for fashion? So our brains love to categorize things. They love to want to make sense of things. So to say, these dresses, sequenced dresses, one's a long sleeve, one's a short sleeve, we would categorize that into special occasion dresses. It would categorize it into fancy, maybe holiday, maybe only when there's a special occasion, correct? Another thing that might be in that category is a fancy necklace. That could be also categorized as special occasion and fancy. It's very bold, very bright. Okay, I'm only gonna wear this for special occasions. Another thing might even be these shoes. So they're sparkly. These are actually my wedding shoes. So of course you're gonna think, well, maybe I'll only wear them once. Maybe it's only for my wedding. And these, or maybe I'll save them for another really special occasion. So that would be our special occasion category that our brain wants to make sense of in this one category. Opposed to that, opposite of that, would then be your casual category. Like I chose some things that are ultimately super casual to put in our casual category. So when you have ripped boyfriend jeans, you think, yeah, ripped boyfriend jeans, super casual, I'll wear flip-flops with them, probably a t-shirt, and that goes into my casual category in my brain. Another thing that's very casual is some boots. So some just lace up, really kind of rugged boots. These would go in your brain as a casual category, correct? So what do we do when we apply juxtaposition to fashion? So for me, when I apply juxtaposition, these dresses don't just get put on hold into special occasion times. This is, if you were to pair this dress or this dress with heels, yes, it's a fancy time, it's a fancy day to go out for night, and this would be what you would make it fancy, which is great. That's exactly what these are here for. But what if you paired a dress like this or a dress like this and crossed categorized it and put boots with it and a hat? Like that would make it super funky. You could wear it out, you know, during the day to some funky event. You could wear it out with your girls. It would make it, because this is casual and a hat might be casual, it would tone down the fanciness of these outfits. So that would be a really amazing way to use these dresses on not just fancy occasions. So another idea would be the opposite, so to say. With these jeans, instead of just pairing it with a t-shirt and some flip-flops, what if you did pair it with a t-shirt and instead put this necklace on with the t-shirt and wore these shoes with your boyfriend jeans? Like, then you would get more use out of the boyfriend jeans of not just being in the casual category. You can go out to brunch with your girls, go on a date night. This is actually something I have worn because I want to get use out of my wedding shoes. I don't want them to sit in the box. They're too pretty. So this is a great way to get use of this differently, get use of this differently, and all of your clothes. When you start to break the categories, if you can just break those categories that your mind puts your fashion into, you then have a whole nother closet. So you start to cross categorize all of these things that you say, oh, this is only for this occasion, and this is only for this occasion. Instead, say, why is that only for this occasion? Is there a way I can dress these up more? Is there a way I can dress these down more? And then you start to use your clothes in all different occasions, and then you can use this dress to still wear to your fancy occasion, and it's a whole different look. So another idea is this fur jacket. So this fur jacket you might, if you look at it, think, oh, I would never have a place to wear a fur jacket because that seems fancy, and I have kids and I normally wear jeans and a t-shirt. Well, let's think about it. If you do jeans and a t-shirt, which is your casual category, and this might be more of a fancy category, I actually consider this fur jacket an anytime jacket because I will throw this on with jeans and a t-shirt to pump it up a little bit, because you're going to have to put on a jacket anyways. Like if you're going out in the cold, why not switch it for a kind of cuter jacket than your, boring old parka? So you're doing the same motions as putting on a jacket. Why not make it a little more fancy? Or I could also wear this jacket still in the fancy category with this dress if I'm going out to a really fancy dinner, a holiday dinner, and things like that. The second type of category that we might put our clothes into are summer and winter, right? Or all the other seasons, but let's just work with summer and winter. So summer, you think shorts. Tank tops. I'll really only wear my shorts with my tank tops because that's just a category, and that's what I do for summer. And then you might have your winter, and you say, I have sweaters. So I'm going to wear my sweaters with my jeans and my jackets because that's where my brain works. So that is winter. But what if there are these middle periods where it's not super cold out, not super hot? What if you cross those categories? So what if you take shorts with a sweater? So then you have a whole nother outfit when you cross seasons. And it could be for maybe you are going out, maybe it gets a tad bit chilly where you are at night in the summer. That would be a great summer outfit with you have shorts and a cute sweater. Or vice versa when it's in fall, and it's not quite super cold yet, and you have a day that's just that perfect that you can almost wear anything. That would be a great time for that too. You could then wear it with boots, flats, whatever really you want, but this is the idea of juxtaposition, of taking two separate categories of what you would imagine are two opposing categories, mixing it together to create something new. So it kind of goes along with our other fashion tip, the fashion equation. When you add your pops to your classics, it's a same type of thing, but it's a different way to look at it to cross categorize what is in your closet and to get more out of it. So I hope that this helps you. I hope that you're able to see your closet in a new light and to see how much it can expand your closet by just using juxtaposition in your everyday wear, in your fashion and style.